Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. On behalf of the Northstar team, it's our pleasure to welcome you all to our pre-launch virtual meeting. We are unable to meet in person this year. We have therefore decided to organize our very first pre-launch meeting to get you acquainted with our founders and to get to meet with FCL forwarders from all over the world. This is a fantastic opportunity to meet virtually with everyone, to learn more about this group and to develop business opportunities together. Last year has truly been an exceptional year on all fronts. And if there's one thing last year has shown us, then it's that sea freight and logistics are one of the backbone industries for our society's survival. Before anything else, I would like to thank all our founding members of Northstar. Thank you for being part of our family and being the first movers in putting together the first FCL network in the world. Thank you for seeing the value in being part of an FCL-only network. I, together with our team, draw a lot of our motivation from you to create something together. We will get to hear more about our founders in the next segment after my presentation. So let me jump straight into our conference agenda. What can you expect during our 3-day pre-launch conference? Today, which is day 1, I have the pleasure to introduce Northstar to you. We will then introduce to you our founding members, after which we will show you a short clip about our intranet app, which is our network application with our dynamic agency list, messaging, and social media features. We will then move on to a live Q&A segment with 3 of our founding members, with whom we will discuss the new normal, followed by our keynote presentation on logistics after COVID, and finally our closing cocktail. On day 2 and 3, we will be hosting our face-to-face meetings, for which everyone has in the meantime scheduled their meeting partners. That is our 3-day conference agenda. I really hope you enjoy making new friends and find new opportunities in the coming days. Northstar is the newest brand under the parent company RW Solutions, which is a network management company that was founded in Hong Kong in 2002 and has its operational arm in the Philippines. RW Solutions, meanwhile, has 8 freight forwarding networks that are into industry niches. We believe that networks should be themed according to their handling advantages and interests for members to engage into more meaningful business exchanges, with more qualified networking across various brands. At present, we have 700 members from 90 countries under the RW umbrella, Northstar being the youngest network in the group. You might wonder why we choose the name Northstar. When you Google Northstar, this is what it will say. The North Star is the anchor of the northern sky. It is a landmark or a sky marker that helps those who follow it determine direction as it glows brightly to guide and lead towards a purposeful destination. It also has a symbolic meaning, for the North Star depicts a beacon of inspiration and hope to many. Before GPS and advanced communication systems that would allow us to navigate ships, captains of ships oriented themselves according to the stars in the skies. North Star is a symbol of a bright future and a path towards the right direction. This is why we thought it would be a great name to use for our FCL forwarding network, as we find each other to develop a common direction for a greater future together. Welcome to Northstar, the first and only FCL forwarders-focused network in the world. At this present time, we have interested FCL forwarders from 68 countries. We believe that it is really important to re-establish networks worldwide to find new ways and partners in coming up with new solutions together. Especially in such volatile times, companies that are active in their markets will benefit from the changes the most. We are glad to see continued interest in the network and really look forward to our in-person launch meeting next year. We are glad to inform you that we are now at 34 founding members and another 200 interested FCL forwarders from all over the world and growing. During the course of our development phase, before our launch, we will be releasing our founders agency list every 3 months to keep our community updated. Our agency list features the profile of our FCL founding members, shipping line contracts, and regular inbound and outbound business lanes. So what are the benefits of being part of Northstar? As members of the network, This is a venue to meet and partner with FCL forwarding partners worldwide. This is a continued project for us to grow the network and continuously offer more agents worldwide. While the quality of our partners is very important to us, it is likewise important to make sure that any payment issues are settled amongst the partners. As a network, we bring the initial trust for members to be able to start business with ease and offer payment protection for all members. To avoid bad companies to be part of the network, we screen members before being able to be part of our official agency list. For this, we also do background checking on applying companies through several sources. This is to ensure that companies that are part of the network are screened and approved by the network. It is our standard that we host a once-a-year conference for members to meet personally, but as everyone clearly understands, it was not possible to meet last year and will probably not be possible to meet this year. So we're going to be conservative about our conference dates, and we're planning for our in-person launch in Bangkok next year. In the meantime, we plan for 2 to 3 more virtual pre-launch meetings before our in-person event next year. Our second virtual meeting will be at the end of this year in November. Stay tuned for more information about it. As a proactive network management company, we attend various trade shows where we promote Northstar and our agency list. Our favorite events are Transport Logistics in Munich, that happens every 2 years, as well as the Intermodal in Sao Paulo, Brazil. During these expos, we exhibit and we also offer social activities for our members. Our agency list is unique. We highlight the relationships of our FCL members with shipping lines. If there are volume deals that fellow Northstar partners with shipping lines, we showcase this directly with the agency list and our other members to be aware of and possibly inquire about. With a wide variety of partners, we will be able to leverage on existing relationships with various shipping lines. I always wondered why there was not one agency list that is designed to feature shipping line contracts, so we're glad to be the first one in this direction. What are the unique opportunities when being part of an FCL network? Alone by being part of Northstar, you will already know that all the partners are part of Northstar that are mainly interested in further developing FCL business. Many times, shipping line relationships alone are not enough to add value for customers to want to do business with. You might want to use SOC containers for which you need a partner to look for your return traffic, or discover a new way of transloading cargo to access and create services with the use of different shipping lines. Are collapsible containers a viable option for port pairs that have imbalance of cargo to reduce repositioning charges, or find new transshipment ports for your current business? All these opportunities are still to be found together with partners of Northstar by starting a conversation and asking the right questions. We will be launching our network app in 2022 together with our in-person event, something we are already prepared for. We are just waiting for the right time to launch the app. Expect more details to be released in the near future. For the founders that are here, please note that while you are already a founder of the network, we will only start counting your 1-year membership on the day when we have our first physical meeting. This means that being part of the network as early as now gives you free networking value until the launch date. We will continue to have more activities to build our community, and thank you for being part of our journey as early as now. Welcome to Northstar. Welcome to our very first virtual event. We hope you will enjoy our program in the coming days. Let's make new friends and find new opportunities to look forward to in our ever-changing world of logistics. Enjoy the next few days of face-to-face meetings. Thank you.